How to find small cap stocks for swing trading. Follow the instructions. Use a stock screener and filter small cap stocks with market cap between $300 million and $2 billion. Set average daily trading volume above 500K to ensure proper liquidity for your swing trades. Apply technical filters like MACD crossovers, RSI oversold levels, or moving average breaks. Focus on sectors with momentum in 2025 like AI, biotech, EVs, clean energy, or cybersecurity. Use tools like Finviz, TradingView, or MarketSmith for detailed stock screening and charts. Look for recent catalysts such as earnings, FD news, or company announcements driving moves. Spot bullish patterns like flags, pennants, cup and handle, or breakout consolidation zones. Create a watch list and set alerts for breakouts, high volume spikes, or key price level moves. Thank you for watching.